Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 1500 Rebel Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, it looks awesome. You got that Ram badging up front there with your projector style headlights and your fog lights with your tow hooks right there. And coming around the side we do have our Toyo brand tires with our 17 trims. They look awesome. You got your heated exterior mirrors right there with turning signals and your running boards along the bottom. Coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you do have a 5-foot box back here. Lots of room. You got that Rebel badging as well as the backup camera and the dual exhaust pipes. Now you can open this guy up. You do have the cover on it, keeping things nice and safe. It does also have the spray and box liner, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Got our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our remote start there, our air ride suspension, and our panic button. Well, let's unlock it and let's take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks. You do have the handle here, another handle here, and some storage with nice red accenting. The accenting does continue throughout the truck. It looks fantastic. The leather trim seats are very comfortable. You get that Rebel badging. Now they are electric, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support there. And right up here we do have the controls over our lights, so our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, as well as our fog lights and in-cabin light control here. Then up here we do have the controls over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Let's start her up. Foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up for us. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Up at the top we do have our battery and oil life as well. Now we do have which way we're facing, as well as the temperature outside and how many kilometers we have, which is 59,000, not too bad at all. You can switch that around to your vehicle info, as well as your fuel economy, trip A and B. Then you also have your trailer tow options, your audio, stored messages, screen setup, and back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. And then over here we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect. So we got our AM, FM, and Sirius XM, as well as our media tab right here if we have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. Our controls over heated seats and heated steering wheel. Uconnect apps are right over here. As well, you do have your climate control, which is a dual climate system for your passengers, so you can have different temperatures. You got your navigation right here, and you can hit view map to see we are on Recreation Place. Then you also have your phone options right there. When you are in reverse, you have that ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And that is our gear shift right over there with our 2-wheel, 4-wheel low, and 4-wheel lock. As well, right over here, we do have the volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, tune and browser, AC, circulation, temperature control, power off auto, and then the front and rear defrost. Down here you do have your trailer brake, your air ride suspension control, you have your traction control, tow and haul mode, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and the passenger side heated seats. Some storage in here, more storage here with a place for a phone. Then you also have your cup holders and your armrest doubles as a storage container. You have some coin holders here, as well as 2 USB plugins and an aux cord plug-in over there. Then you can lift this guy up, and you do have some storage just underneath there. Then over here we do have a top and bottom layer for our glove boxes. They look fantastic. And then up top you do have your universal garage door opener, your control over your window in the back, and your sunroof control, which is looking great. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, control of your windows, a handle here, and some storage. It looks awesome back here as well. Very spacious, and the same material as the front. Now you can fold this guy down right here, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold this up right here. You do have some storage underneath there. Underneath the other one you do have a subwoofer. And then you can fold this guy down, giving you a little bit more room, and you do have nice flat surface to put stuff on top of. You have your cup holders over there and some storage just underneath the floor mats here. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 1500 Rebel. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.